Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Topg token. Now the Topg token is a very popular meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and they just got a very big central exchange listing yesterday on a very big central exchange. Name of the token is Topg, and that is also the ticker symbol, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So this is a meme token on the Solana blockchain, so you can get this token off a few different DEXs. We'll go over that in a second. But just yesterday at exactly June 9th, 14:30 UTC time, this token got listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So one way to get this token, if you're looking to get it, you can get it off Mexc. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Topg, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is live on Mexc Global right now. It says their total supply right now is 412,525,549 Topg tokens. They do have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there as usual, at Topg Solana CTO. It says, some men just want to see the world burn. Then it has a link to a different Twitter there. I'm assuming that is like the dev, or maybe the person in charge of this token. Has the contract address right there on the Twitter. Has a link to their webpage, topgsolana.com. They just joined Twitter May 2024, brand new project, 10,100 followers and 53 posts. So, a while ago when I guess Andrew Tate was very popular, a bunch of Topg tokens came out. That was probably like a year ago at least. And I remember those tokens being very popular. There was kind of like maybe 3 or 4 that came out all at once that were very popular, kind of fizzled out a little bit after that. And then just recently, Andrew Tate put out his own, very own token, and he's been talking about that a lot on his Twitter. I think it's Cobra Tate, at Cobra Tate. If you go over there, you'll be able to see him talking about it. But I did a video recently on the ticker symbol was RNT, and that token also got listed on Mexc Global the same time as this one yesterday. So that token is also available on Mexc Global if you're looking for the official Andrew Tate Solana meme token that he put out. Ticker symbol's RNT, and that one's available on Mexc. And I did a video on that token that I'm going to link at the end of this video. A picture will pop up. You'll be able to click on that one and go check out Andrew Tate's official RNT token. But a different way to get this token, if you wanted to get this one off a decentralized exchange, you'll see that, like I said, the contract address is right up there. It's also on that web page, which is linked on the Twitter right there. You can get this token off any DEX like Raydium, Jupiter, Orca, Meteora. all you'd have to do is fund your Sol Flare or your Phantom wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you can find right there. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Hopefully we could find that in a second here. And yeah, so just be aware of that. Let me check for taxes actually. So if we go to their Sol scan, says they already have 16,000 holders. So this token is doing very well. It's also listed on CoinGecko, it says. You can find it on DEX Tools, Bird Eye, or DEX Screener if you're looking for the chart. They have a current market cap of $11.86 million. So this token is doing very well. 6 decimal places on this token. Token price is about 2.8 cents per token right now. So hopefully on their webpage we could see something about taxes here. Now, their webpage, topgsolana.com. It says, ultimate bag holder, the bag lover, the diamond hander, the aura haver, the university.com owner, 4-time kickboxing champion of the world. These are all his accolades, I guess, here. It doesn't really say much on their webpage at all. So I'm assuming that there is 0% taxes. I mean, if you know what the slippage was, you could always leave it in the comments down there. But not a lot of info on their page, basically just links to their socials. They have a link to DEX Screener, and then they have just a couple random pictures and things like that. So not much info on there. Most of the info is going to be on the listing sites. Now this token is very popular. It is trending right now top 5 on DEX Tools, and it's trending number 8 on DEX Screener. And yeah, they have almost a $12 million market cap. They have $1.3 million in liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 95.83% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. And yeah, fairly new project. The pair for this token was just created on Raydium 2 days, 21 hours ago. So it's a fairly new token here. And it says there's a community claim. This happens on DEX Screener. They make these community claims, and this one is from June 8th, so 2 days ago. It says, Topg has always been a community-driven project. The community leads the charge and leads the way. And it says here, Topg stands for crypto. And it says here, I think, okay, well, I clicked on something there. You can find, all right, I don't know what happened there. There we go. Okay. It says, Andrew Tate holds 55% of the supply. He will never sell. I thought that was the RNT token. I'm not sure if that is this token or whatever, but they're saying that the supply is worth over $35 million and has been burned by Topg himself. So is this Andrew Tate's token as well? Leave a comment down there because I'm not sure if this community claim is accurate. Their webpage is very lacking on here. I went over to Andrew Tate's Twitter and all I see him promoting is the RNT token. It's very hard to tell these days, you know, which of these claims and things are authentic unless the actual person is saying it themselves. I've seen him, you know, promoting the RNT token, but not this one. So, yeah, it's kind of either way. I mean, this token is doing very well. They are on CoinMarketCap as well, too. It says here over 16,000 holders. It's going to be pretty volatile. This token and the RNT token. So just be aware of that. In the past 7 days, this token is up over 43,000%. So go have a look at it. They do have a quick audit here on DEX Tools. I don't see a full audit though. But there's no warnings on their quick audit. Contract verified, no honeypot, etc. But it's not a full audit. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this Topg token? Also, what do you think about the RNT token? Do you think either one is a good buy or not? Leave a comment down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.